Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make subtitles change colors on CapCut. So select your video and you are going, go to text, and select auto captions first and just press start and wait for the app to create auto captions. And once you are done with that, you are going to just select the text, go to style, and select this one for instance, and then press apply to auto captions and go to another text. You can't really see it, but you can go to style and choose a different style or color, and as you can see it's different. If you don't do that, the text won't have different colors. It's just going to be all in the same color. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!